Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to join a Microsoft Teams meeting on your PC or laptop using a meeting ID and password. Whether it's for work, school, or a quick catch-up, I'll guide you step by step so you never miss a meeting again. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have a Microsoft Teams account. Open the Teams application on your PC or go to the Teams web page. Enter your login credentials and sign in. You need to be signed in to join any meeting. Locate the Meet option. Once you're signed in, look for the Meet option in the left-hand menu of the Teams app. Click on it, and a new window will open with options to schedule or join meetings. Join with Meeting ID. Here's where it gets simple. Click on the Join with a Meeting ID option. This lets you enter the details of the meeting you want to join without needing a direct link. Enter meeting ID and passcode. Carefully type in the meeting ID provided to you. Accuracy is key here because a small mistake will prevent you from joining. Next, enter the meeting passcode or password exactly as given. It's case sensitive, so pay attention to capital letters and numbers. Connect to the meeting. Once you've entered the meeting ID and password correctly, click the Join Meeting button. Before you enter, check your microphone and camera settings. You can turn them on or off depending on your preference. This ensures you're ready for full audio and video participation. And that's it. Joining a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and password is that simple. Now you're ready to connect with colleagues, classmates, or friends without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.